Were you happy with the response what you got or something?
See, हांव उलयलें तेन्ना टॅक्सीच्यो हिशोब I have put on the floor of the house how Goa tourism was being run without these app aggregators coming. तुमकां उगड आसा लोक येतालो, they were staying in houses of fishermen or small rooms. We didn't even have many hotels at that time. Yet Goa was #1 tourist destination internationally. Second, लोक वयताले रेस्टॉरंट पासून इतले नाशिल्ले. They used to go to the houses of certain people and small shacks and they would eat. They were all happy with it. Today what is happening is, तुम पळयलें आसतलें, it was at that time we were serving and people were enjoying. That was the tourism which was there. It was we who were running the business. आज दुसरे येयले आनी आमकां शिकयताय कितको बिझनस चलोवपाक. So this is what has happened. आनी आमचे उरले फकत आतां सर्वेर करपाक. Instead of us running the business, others are running our business and making us work there. This I think is what we have to understand, and that is why I fought that our Goans are now with these app aggregators, they are being displaced. And what is happening is others are running the thing and we are just becoming virtually slaves into this system. So I think now look at these big hotels and all that, and you look who's getting employed. We are talking of unemployment in Goa. Amge sagle burge are not very highly educated. They can be employed in the hotels, some get experience, they go on the boat, they can go abroad. But if we have this kind of things by which others invade our spaces of our business and they want then to teach us it must be done like this, done like that, I think Goa will lose its charm and it will be only a commercial venture for these people, and our Goans will lose out. Therefore, I think that we have to take this issue carefully, and I am Pasumulla Sarkara that we must take everybody so that we can work out amicably, because your first point of a tourist is a taxi. So taxi boslo, everything starts thereafter. Hotline Paulo things zogri zaldele, it will be another tension. And I'm happy that both the minister and the chief minister said we will have a meeting before the end of this session to work out the modalities how we can arrive at an amicable situation.
Speak about the homestay policy.
होय, होमस्टे पॉलिसी हांवें म्हणला. हांव एक तुमकां सगळें एक डिटेल्स इन प्रेजेंटेशन दितलो दाखोवपाक की पयले ते होमस्टे मंत्रीन म्हणलें तें that is only for those talukas. It is not. It is simple English which I will read it for you and you will understand. It is a homestay policy applicable for whole Goa. Only those 7 talukas are being given special benefit of non-payment or a refund of a registration fee. Dusre fee ahate under 7.1, them in that paragraph it is there. Any other benefits they are getting of domestic connection, of water, domestic electricity, domestic house tax is under 6.2, which is now available to everybody. कितें जाता, थोडे पंचायत सेक्रेटरी फकत हांव न्ही दुसरे आमदारां पासून सांगलां, थोडे सेक्रेटरी गाम घालून येशून फेविकॉल घालून आसात थिंगाच कोल्लात आनी भायर सोदनात, ते वसों सोदनात. हांव नेणा कित्याक, पूण एक सेक्रेटरी बास्तोडची हांवें म्हणला ती ट्रान्सफर करून मुगे एक्सेप्ट केलें की आतां नॉर्थ जाली म्हूण ती आहा म्हूण थिंगा, आनी सरकारान ऑर्डर इश्यू केली ट्रान्सफर करपाक. रोखडी गेली परत आयली. सो देखो हांवें म्हणलां कित्याक जाता, मॅग्नेट एट्रॅक्ट जाता न्ही, मॅग्नेटीक एट्रॅक्शन टक्को येता म्हूण परत.
मॅग्नेट म्हणल्यार कितें दोतोर कितें सांगूंक सोदता एक्झॅक्टली मॅग्नेट म्हणल्यार कितें?
मॅग्नेट तूं जाणा, एक पॉझिटीव पोल आसता, नेगेटीव पोल आसता. तो ही पॉझिटीव आसा जाल्यार खंयची नेगेटीव, ही नेगेटीव जाल्यार खंयची पॉझिटीव, ते चवकशी तुमी करूंक पडटलें.
Thank you.
Okay, sir, state the new bill हाडपाक सोदता about the land conversion which can override the court judgment.
Seen the bill yet, but there is sometimes what we do is legislative technique is there that you overcome certain flaws on the basis of which a judgment has been given. Remember, Supreme Court has said you cannot pass a law directly to say the judgment is null and void. This cannot be done. But you can remove the flaw by which that legislation became invalid, and then you can pass the legislation.
So Kadamba Transport proper how